Alright, so today, while working inside of Satan's butt crack, I have to have the fan on because all the battery power, all power is disconnected from the motorhome. Because we have a new inverter that we're going to install. This time, the key word is inverter charger. That was the word I was missing last time, which is why I had to put a battery charger on the batteries through the motorhome, and yeah, anyway, so we can enjoy the motorhome. This goes in today, but first, I have a lot of wires that I'm going to fix, and as soon as I get to that, I will come back to this real quick. All right, so I know it's a little dark. First thing I got to do is disconnect. Well, I gotta take this panel off, the false drawer. I'm gonna take this drawer and these other two drawers out here so that I can access the mess. And yeah, I know it's dark in there, you can't see anything. As soon as I get the drawers off, I'll go ahead and show you the mess. All right, so we got all the access. Now, obviously, since we do know where positive and negative goes, we're going to go ahead and disconnect those first. Now, and then what I'm going to do is take each of these, like say this one right here, for example, that plugs into there, up to here. Yeah, no, it plugs into there. Yeah, it plugs into there for the refrigerator. Because I had it wrong. This just being an inverter, see, pure sine wave inverter. So I got to disconnect that. We know that's where that goes, and then I can work on streamlining all this mess here, and then we'll be better off. So here we go. Here's where we're at. These two lines cross each other for some unknown reason. This line goes from outside of the motorhome, right there, goes all the way over here and back outside. So there's no use in cutting that wire in half to shorten it and to clean it up. And the same goes for the other wire. There's no ends of termination here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and clean this up and organize it so that it looks nice and neat, versus the mess and plate of spaghetti it looks like right now. So that's the new plan. Alright, well, we have it vacuumed out and we have some space opened up, as you saw. Although we couldn't cut it, we couldn't trim and adjust the wires, or at least pulled the slack in the corner over here, and these cables got pushed back a little bit because the inverter generator that's going in there is a little on the big side. So let's get it put in there. Alright, so the good thing is we can go ahead, hook up positive and negative now to test to make sure this gets power as soon as I find negative. Where'd it go? Where did my ground cable go? Oh no. Not that ground.
Is it that little wire right there?
No.
Is it this wire?
No. It's another one that looks like this but black. There we go. Alright. Now we're in the right spot.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Well, depending on who she is, she also says that's the wrong hole. Alright, so both grounds and the positive is hooked up. I am going to go and hook up the house batteries at least. That's where this gets power from. And what you need to do is just press this on to auto. Press it this way. And then if any lights come on, let me know. If not, definitely let me know. So. Power. Alright.
Well, it come on and turn my car off.
It's probably, batteries are probably dead. But we know the power works. What is that? Power saver function.
It says
Oh, because we're not.
charging current control. That's what that is.
This one?
Charging current
No, that's this
control.
one.
No.
It's the words above the line.
Line goes to that one. Line goes to that one. Line goes. So power server function.
Saver.
Saver function.
Okay, that means, all right, power saver for this inverter generator means every so often it'll send out like a milliwatt to test if anything's being used, refrigerator, microwave, anything electronic. It'll go and test to make sure it's all working. And if nothing's on and it doesn't need the power, and it doesn't need to charge batteries, it'll, eating bugs over there?
No, I'm eating spit.
Oh.
No sweat.
Sweat? No, I'll say I know I didn't spit.
No, you slung it on me.
Nope. Anyway, so what that'll do is that'll save power from the batteries being used for no reason whatsoever. So that's why we're gonna leave it on the auto so it does it on its own. I don't have anything on or plugged in that needs too much power. So it's just gonna have that on. See, we can hear it. Clicks on. Wait, this one says power saver off, right? Yeah, let's do it this way. Power saver's off. So, and that was inverter mode battery powered. Okay. Alright, so we're being powered. So, alright, now I can go disconnect the batteries because I have AC. You're sideways. Interesting. We're having problems with the GoPro now. Great. I think it's because of the charge pack. Anyway, so I'm going to go and while we put this on charge for a few minutes, I'm going to go and start hooking in the AC power into and out of this inverter, and then that should be done. We will come back when we are checking to make sure this charges the batteries, the house batteries and the coach batteries, off of generator and shore power and motorhome running. So we see that. So, okay, now we got more lights on, but it is just like it explained in the paperwork. The batteries will only charge through the generator or through the shore power, right? So that's why now it's showing batteries in boost stage, because all three of the batteries are basically dead because they've been uncharged. Now we got AC source detected battery charging. So now it tells us the AC power is coming in from the generator and it's going out. Now it can charge the batteries, and these lights will change over time. Now all I got to do is, now I want to make sure the AC is run and stuff off the generator, and then what I'll do is go through and button everything up and verify everything from there. Okay, this is the new outro this time that we're going to do. And we still have an outlet or two that isn't working. The microwave and that one. But the reason this wasn't charging off of shore power, let's see if let me borrow one of those lights real quick. It don't matter. All right, now it's showing that it's in, let's have you guys look at it right. It's showing now that it's doing bulk charging on the batteries, or a boost mode to get them charged, and it's showing an AC source detected that it's charging the batteries. So what it was is the outlet that I have, the motorhome, I have it plugged into for now, which is basically while it's sitting right here on the side of the house, not on its own pedestal, is the GFCI, whatever. This one tripped. See, now this one works. So maybe the other two will work now. Maybe that was part of the problem. Yep, okay. So because the one tripped outside on the side of the house, I went and plugged it in inside. Everything's working normal the way it should now. So tomorrow morning, yep, see, green lights on. I know the lights are dim, but so yeah, we'll be back in the morning after this does its thing, charging batteries and whatnot, and then we will finish buttoning up everything. But I will go ahead and put this video out tonight, because tomorrow I gotta get onto the Camaro and figure out why it's not overheating. So until then, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all later.